how to use back tap on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can use the back tap for different functions on iPhone. For that, you'll need to head over to your settings and then go to accessibility. Now scroll down, go to touch on the physical and motor, and then scroll to the very bottom. There you'll find back tap. You can see that double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly. So you can use back tap for that. Just tap on it and then you can either use the double tap or the triple tap feature. You just have to tap on it. I'm going to use double tap, and here you will see various options. So for example, let's say you want to double tap on the back and then turn on the screenshot function. So you just have to tap on screenshot. Now you have turned it on. Now just double tap on the back, and then you can see double tap has been detected and the screenshot has been taken. It's as simple as that. Now you can choose any function of your wish. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.